Hi guys, again this is Pamuk and your Turkmen language tutor, I guess. That's what you can call me. So every time I'm trying to you guys teach you with a new Turkmen word so you can use in a basic lifetime and just basic words for the easy, so it will be kind of when you go traveling or meet Turkmen people, you have like small conversation with them. So in this video, I'm gonna try every time, and every once in a while, I'm gonna try to put the video with every 20 words, maybe 25 words, just basic only words, just vocabulary, so you guys can use it. And this time, I'm gonna put 20 words, so it's just the basic words. I'm sure it's not gonna really hard. And I'll put them in, make sure there's gonna be subtitles so you guys can read it and understand it easily. So let's get started. So first words we're gonna have is teacher. Teacher in Turkmen, mugallim, mugallim, mugallim. And second one is pupil. Pupil as a high school student, kinda. So okuchi, okuchi, okuchi. And our next one is student. Now we're talking about the college student, university students. Talib. Talib. Our next one is ball. Like ball you play, like round one. So that's we call in Turkmen top. Top. Our next word is pencil. Pencil, you're still gonna use a basic life. You're gonna need to ask someone maybe pencil. So when you wanna ask, how are you gonna call it? Galam. Galam. Our next word is book. Book you can use in Turkmen as you just can say kitap, kitap, kitap. And our next word is key. Key for the door, key for everything, I guess. So when you lost your key, you want to ask for Turkmen people, where's my key? So you can use atar. You can ask them, where's my atar? For atar. Our next one is window. Window is pencere. 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 Our next word is mirror. You want to look at yourself, how you dressed up, everything else. So you need that word too, right? So that's ayna. Ayna. In this ayna is in Turkmen, it's kind of you'll hear some girl's name might be Ayna too. Yeah, that's kind of sound weird, but it's really common name. You might hear in somewhere when you go to Turkmenistan or meet Turkmen people, you might run into some girl's name Ayna. And our next word is water. Everybody needs a water. So you need a water. You can ask them, can I get a thu? Thu. That's water. Our next word is bread. Everybody needs to eat too. And in Turkmenistan, we kind of usually say in different ways, like two ways when we want to say bread. First is naan, and other way you can say çörek. So naan and çörek. Our next word is flag. Every country has a flag. So you say bayrak, bayrak. Our next word is shoes. You need a shoes. You need to ask people about that. So you can use kavuş, kavuş. Our next word is dress or collared shirt for the guys. In Turkmen, this is both of them. It just you can say one word, even though it's for the collared shirt for guy and collared shirt for the girl, and the dress, long dress. We use only one word. Dress is köynek, köynek. Guys, it can go for the guys and for the girls. Our next word can be paper. It's common, it's useful, so I was thinking, why not? Paper in Turkmen is kağıt, kağıt. Our next one is door. Door for the house, door for the office. That's kapı, kapı. Our next one is saç. Yeah, right. And that's hair is saç. In Turkmen, saç. Our next one is cup. Cup is kase. Kase. Car in Turkmen is it's kind of sounds like an automobile, but it's like auto ulo, auto ulo, or more like you might hear machine, machine, auto ulo or machine. Our next word and final word can be, what do you think? Girl's favorite thing, flower. Yes. And woman too, of course. Flower in Turkmen, gül, gül. So this is all 20 words that might be really common and useful and basic words you might need in basic life. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and it can be useful for you. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can just write in a comment and ask me. I'll do my best, read them and try to put them in videos so you guys can use it. And please subscribe and like my page, share. So thank you so much. Bye.